First, we have to download an application. I'll drop the link down in the description. It's called Video Compressor. So then after that, we have to just right click and install. So we run as administrator. Then you accept the agreement, then next. Then it extracts the whole file, then you click on launch, compress it, then you click on finish. And we're done with that. Since this is going to be a tutorial video, would you like to get started dialog box, you click on no. And I just want to mention some of the features of this application, just so you know everything that you can do with this application, with this software anyway. So that is to open an existing file or to import a file. Same goes for this, also to open an existing file. Now the file option, so you can just click on that. Now you can load a profile for web, YouTube, Facebook, and some other file from can export from other option. Then the option, we have the file format. I like keeping that as MP4. The video codec, make sure it's set to MP4 standard. The video frame per second, I like keeping that as original. Also, compress audio, you might want to compress the audio. And for the codec, I like keeping that at MP3. The audio channel stereo is the best. And I think that's all for this option. And for the view, it's just the toolbar and some basic settings. And if you need help getting started with this application, so I'm just gonna strictly import something into this. Okay, so let's just import that, and I'll just click on the open. Okay, so these are some of the information: the file format, the duration, the file size is 103 MB, the video codec, the video bitrate, the video frame size, the audio codec, and some other option. For the profile, you can select any of this profile, and the format, I like keeping that an MP4. The frame rate, you might want to increase the frame rate per second. This is 1920, and some other options are there. Now the MP4 standard, and the frame per second, I like keeping that as original. This video bitrate, the more you increase it, the more you increase the length of the video. You can see that as I'm increasing it and as I'm decreasing it, the video length reduces. This determines that, and you don't want it to be low. And also, the more you increase this, but this doesn't really have much effect, the more you increase this, the more it decreases. Okay, so you can compress it, or you can compress, or it's like Control P, and you can just compress. It's gonna be a long process, so I'm just gonna run through everything, so I'll show you when I'm almost done, or we can just run through the video. I just want to say, the more you move this bar forward, the more the video results increases. My bad. Okay, so we're done, and we will just close tab right there. And something I forgot to mention was the file modification. We have the prefix, the textual, and the numerical. For this, I selected the textual, that's for the prefix, and for the suffix, I have selected none because I prefer the normal prefix, the normal suffix. And also for destination folder, I like saving that the source, but you can just change it by clicking on order and getting some other things. I think that's all. Okay, and this does the same thing as that, so you can also use full screen. I just prefer that other method very much. It's very easy to use, and as you can see, the video I adjusted has 102 megabytes, and the result has 8.60 megabytes. So here is the comparison between the two videos. It's almost as if there isn't really much an editing between the two. I just wanted to show you guys the results of the video, because it's very much important to compare the quality of the two videos. Though the compressed looks almost exactly as the same, but there is minor difference between the videos. As you can see, the video quality isn't really much affected, but the more you reduce the bar, the more the video quality decreases. That is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment down what you feel about this application down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.